doing a quick video on our trailer hitches from Volkswagen. Basically what you have to do for the bike racks, the ones that come out of the trailer hitch that hold bikes, you're going to want to buy a actual tester. So for Tiguans, you want to buy the 4-pin tester. I'll show the picture below. That would be your best bet in order to disable some of the features that could really get you in a pickle with a bike rack or one of those storage compartments that come off the trailer hitch. So along the bottom, it's almost insignificant. You can't really see it. It blends in really nice with the bumper. And from our technician's side of things, they don't actually have to do a full cutout. So this right here is your actual trailering hitch wiring harness section. This is where you'll put your receiver, and then obviously your safety chains go onto these connectors here. But it's nice when you get it from Volkswagen, it has an integrated protector so that everything is kind of clean, and it's a little rubber protector that kind of pops off. That's where you plug in your wiring, or as well the tester, and then the tester would light up showing that it's active. And then with that, your trailer hitch, your trunk latch wouldn't open all the way. So it would just pop open and then stay there. It wouldn't automatically scroll up as you would normally have on the trailer tailgate activation button. Or if you came to the back simply, it would click but not open up. Because if you did that, obviously, it would have hit your bike rack while opening and closing. So that's a way to save your trailer, or your tailgate here, from being scathed from the trailer at all, or anything you put on the back, whether it's a bike rack or some sort of storage compartment. Anyways, guys, so these two trailer tricks apply to both the Class 3 trailers from, trailer hitches from the Atlas lineups, as well as the Tiguan Class 1 trailer hitches. So as long as you buy the proper pin tester, whether the 4 or the 7-pin tester, you're able to fool the system into thinking that there's a trailer plugged in. So these are your normal things that you can go through on a daily basis in terms of how it really interacts with you as a driver. You can change your actual maneuver braking, so that's your parking, right? Your active parking. Your rear traffic alert, you can turn that off manually, and then also have your automatic activation for your park pilot. However, if you don't want to go through and just click off all those menus, when you throw it in reverse, okay, it's going to automatically do that. So that's a way to do it. But when you plug it in, this won't be active, just in the rear. So when you plug that in, if you've got a bike rack on, you can disable the rear parking sensors without disabling your front, as well as not disabling the front autonomous braking systems that you have if you have the advanced driving assistance package, as well as your lane keeping assist, your radar cruise control. All that stuff wouldn't be disabled. It's just the rear, which is really cool. So although your trailering mode specifically, which looks like that one right there, so you kind of have that 360-degree view that you can see all the time, and then you have your actual specific trailering mode. So that would change, because if I were to back up right now, it would go into full ABS braking and halt the car really, really abruptly, because it's going to sense with the parking sensors that something is right behind your vehicle. With that cheat thing in the actual trailer hitch wiring harness, it'll fool the system into thinking that there's a trailer plugged in, which then gives you those benefits. One really cool feature that I didn't touch base on is if you have an actual trailer plugged in, okay, so it won't really make much sense for a bike rack, but if you have an actual trailer plugged in, not only do you have the normal things where it stops the hitch from opening, or the hatch from opening, and all the stuff that we talked about in terms of rear parking sensors and stuff like that, but if someone tries to steal your actual trailer, they have to pull the pin out, or they don't necessarily have to pull that little tester out. If you have a bike rack on, they won't notice it. They'll just steal the bike rack and your bikes. But if they pull that out with a trailer, a true trailer wiring harness, that's going to be for the lights. They'll have to take that out. if your car is locked and someone's trying to steal your trailer, your alarm will sound. That's part of the programming, which is really cool, that Volkswagen does in your internal software of the vehicle. It's not an aftermarket. This is straight from Volkswagen, that they can reprogram how the computer interacts with stuff like that. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a wonderful day. Stay safe.